This tent is a game changer for car campers. This summer I slept better, I rested more, and I went out more in extreme heat, all because of this tent. It's the Sports Cove by Napier, and this video I'm going to tell you all about it. I'm also going to take you to a great park just north, like 10 or 15 minutes north of Winnipeg, Manitoba. We're going to go to sHill Park, and I'm going to tell you all about the Napier Sports Cove. Let me show you my campsite at sHill and the way I set up the Sports Cove. By the way, this video is not sponsored. These are my own impressions and my own experience using the tent. This is the XL version, and it's perfectly suited for SUVs and minivans. After several years of camping in my Traverse, this upgrade did not disappoint at all. It makes the interior more spacious and it fits the Traverse like a glove. Over the years, before I got the tent, I had other ways of adapting, and one of them is something that you already probably know about, and it's the mesh window covers. They just fit over the windows and they slide down, and then you can roll down your windows and have some breeze flow back and forth. But the effect of these on your windows with the back hatch open and the screen from the Sports Cove tent is wonderful. There's airflow right through the tent. Total game changer. In the past year and a bit, I've traveled over 8,000 miles in my Traverse, and I've car camped quite a bit of the way. And when I tell you that something is a game changer, you have to believe me. This tent is only 7 pounds, so it's about 3.5 kilograms. It's nice and compact. It fits in my Traverse really well. Just slides down the side. I don't need a great big tent in there. I'm trying to save space because when I go on a trip like that, I still need to sleep inside and also have some of my other materials and equipment. And I'll talk about those in another video. If you're into hiking, this is the park for you. There are numerous trails that hikers share with cyclists, and sometimes I see rollerbladers and even people with cross-country skis with the wheels on the bottom on these trails. Later on, I'll show you an even more wonderful thing that you might not expect to find in a provincial park in Manitoba: equestrian trails. There are stables and a petting zoo within the park, You can go and look at the horses, you can go for trail rides, and there are well-marked trails that you can follow. sHill Provincial Park is home to between 250 and 400 white-tailed deer. And if you're very lucky, especially at twilight, either early in the morning or at twilight as day turns into evening, you'll find these deer when they come out to the sides of the road to feed. Pine Ridge Hollow is a destination where nature surrounds you. Shop, dine, explore, and share in the joy of the moment. Pine Ridge Hollow and the village are spaces for unique experiences, collaboration, learning, and engagement in a growing, supportive community. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a family planning your next adventure, I invite you to check out these videos for inspiration. And until the next time, thanks very much for joining me, and keep exploring Canada.